Doing very nice swirl cuts. So this is pretty sharp out of the box. Alright, this is gonna be our first impressions of how the knife is gonna be. We'll open this and we'll see how it feels in hand, and you know how the weight is and everything, and cut some paper with it. Okay, just cut it with scissors, but what I'm gonna do is I'll just cut it off like this from here. It has a nice weight to it actually. It has a really nice hand feel. I love how how this tapers down and how it's nice for poking into the meat and cutting it. That's gonna be perfect. So I think this is a perfect size for a utility knife. To cut, to do veg prep and all that. I don't personally like patties that are really small, like this much. But this I think is a perfect size. Let's cut some paper and see how out of the box sharpness is. Nice. Beautiful. Cut some more paper. It's doing very nice swirl cuts. So this is pretty sharp out of the box. That looks pretty consistent all the way. I most probably will start using this guy in my future videos to sharpen and demonstrate. This has nice thickness also to it. It's a very strong knife. It's not gonna bend, I'm using a lot of force actually. I should not really be doing this, but it's super sturdy. I love this actually. And the most impressive part is the price. It's not very expensive, So for the 2,000 rupees I paid for it, I think this is more than this. This is more value. I mean, this looks like something, it feels also like something that is much costlier than 2000. Because if you buy a Kai Santoku for the like a 5-inch Kai Santoku like this one, in the same, it's almost exactly the same, and that's gonna cost you 10,000. So that's 5 times more. Nice. I'll compare the Kai knife, the Kai Shun series and this guy, because they both almost look the same. They both have 67 layers of Damascus. That uses VG10, this guy uses 10CR15. So same steel almost. Yeah, let's do those videos also. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll do some experiments with this knife for a day or two, and I'll post more videos. Thank you so much.